number 1. இந்த room number 1ல நீங்க வந்து immersive feel வந்து enjoy பண்ணுவீங்க. room number 2ல master piece of jewelries எல்லாமே இருக்கு இந்த கண்ட்ரியோடது. கண்டிப்பா இந்த கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் பாருங்க.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard our cinematic journey as we soar through the world's most enchanting destinations. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be transported. In the shadow of the river. Now, let's soar to the dazzling city of Dubai, where modern marvels touch the sky. Witness the Burj Khalifa, piercing the clouds and lose yourself in the vibrant tapestry of Arabian culture within the bustling souks. Our journey takes a tropical turn as we land in Bali, where nature and spirituality unite. Feel the soft sand at Kuta Beach, be captivated by the Uluwatu sunset, and immerse yourself in the lush greenery of Ubud's rice terraces. An adventure into the Sahara Desert, where golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see. Republic. Sink your toes into the soft sands of the Pantacania, savor the culture of Santo Domingo, and chase waterfalls in the lush landscapes of El Limon. Our voyage leads us to the birthplace of myths. Read, uncover the mysteries of the palace of Gnosis, stroll through Hamia, and dip your toes into the crystal clear waters of Bangles Beach, where time stands still. Wonders to urban energy. Welcome to Sydney, where the Opera House graces the harbour and Bondi Beach invites you to surf the Pacific waves. Explore the Royal Botanic Garden for a serene escape within the heart of the city. Prepare for a cultural fusion in Istanbul, where continents collide. ride. Marvel at the timeless Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque and lose yourself in the vibrant hues and scents of the Grand Bazaar. Our journey through history continues in Rome, a living canvas of art and ancient wonders. From the Colosseum's echoes to the Vatican's masterpieces, every step in Trastevere is a stroll through time. Dazzling Town Square to the green oasis of Central Park and the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. Every street is a stage and the city itself a masterpiece. Our final destination is the lively heart of Mexico, where ancient civilizations meet modern fiestas. Explore the ruins of Chichen Itza, dance through the markets of Oaxaca, and relax on the pristine beaches of Tulum. Feel the heartbeat of a country that celebrates life in every corner. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. As we conclude our cinematic adventure, we hope the magic